Hi and welcome to Afriost Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to give a domain in ClientZone. Open your internet browser. Navigate to clientzone.afrihost.com. Enter your ClientZone username and password. Select Login. Select the Hosting tab. On the left-hand side, under Domain Ownership, select Give or Gain a Domain. A pop-up will appear. Select Give Domain. Select the domain you would like to transfer and below enter a valid ClientZone email address to which the domain will be transferred. Click Transfer Selected Domains. A confirmation notification will appear. Confirm the details are correct and select Transfer Domains. You will receive a notification that the transfer request was successful. Click OK. You have successfully transferred a domain to an existing ClientZone account. Please ensure that the account holder receiving the domain logs into their ClientZone to receive the product.
Hi, John, CEO of Afriost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afriost.com.